Hello everyone, Jeff Mahina here from Oslo, Cebu, and 1K guider of MMN Global Community Philippines. And here I am once again to thank you all participants for my another successful GitHub worth 123,000 pesos. I requested last October 28, 2015, and this 123,000 includes my 30% current growth worth 66,000 pesos, 815. My leader bonus, referral bonus, video bonus, and mostly leader bonuses, and manager bonus. And this totals amount of 123,000 pesos. And I am so thankful to all the participants who provide assistance to my GitHub, especially to Ildil, who provided me 7,200 pesos. Trinidad Magdal worth 30,000 pesos. Erickson 37,300 pesos. Alicia Kababungan 25,500 pesos. And Ranel G 23,000 pesos. The total amount of 123,000 pesos. And I would like to thank our founder, Sir Sergio Mabrudi, for his very amazing system of providing help and getting help directly to each other. Thank you so much, Sir Sergio Mabrudi, for this very wonderful system. You changed our life, changed my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm inviting everyone to join MMM. It is proven and that this is the only way that we can change the world, by the power of giving alone. So be with us, and together we can change the world. Thank you.